As Royal HaskoningDHV, we have a clear purpose. We want to enhance communities and society with all the projects we do. We put the changing climate, biodiversity, natural resources and safety at the forefront of our projects. And every single employee in our company shares this purpose. Here's an example.
Hi, I'm David Perbey. As an engineer and project manager at Royal HaskoningDHV, I get the opportunity to work on projects with local and global impact. The restoration of the port in the Kingdom of Tonga is a milestone in my career. In recent years, Tonga has been on the news with tropical cyclone Harold and Tonga Hapai eruption. The port infrastructure was already limited in terms of safety, organization and operation efficiency. Now, it became obvious that it was not disaster-proof and it needed to be protected from growing climate hazards. So the team and I work on the redesign of the port and we are about to start the construction phase this year, which is very exciting. We couldn't just demolish and rebuild it, so we are looking to improve it, extending it and enhancing its facility. Once the project will be completed, we'll have created a modern, climate-resilient port, providing 100,000 Tongans with the tools to prosper. When I became an engineer, I had one dream: to help improve society and make the world a better place. So this project helped my dream come true, and I got a very strong personal connection to the Tongan people through this project.
If you'd like to work in an inspiring environment, be part of a fast-growing team and work on large projects with a huge impact, apply for one of our vacancies today. Join us and let's enhance society together.